Hey, everybody.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
How's it going?
It's
I'm
good.
excited.
Yeah, well, welcome everybody to our first V0 Power Hour. This is something that we're trying out. We thought it'd be fun to just get on live once a week or once every couple of weeks and build live with comments from the audience in V0. And in the future, hopefully we'll have like some fun guests. But today we have some members of the Vercel community team. And I'm Allie. I work on V0. My title, I'm a member of the technical staff, is what I've been saying lately. Cool.
I did struggle to decide your title. I was like, she does a lot of everything.
Yeah, I mean, Caroline, Amy, want to introduce yourselves, and then I think we're gonna have some fun just jamming and prompting.
Yeah. Do you want to start, Caroline?
Yeah, I'm happy to. I'm Caroline. I work with Allie on V0 and spend a lot of time with our community. And this is my first live stream. I also joined Vercel a month ago, so I'm really excited. This has been something a lot of the community has been asking for. So, and Allie just said we're doing it weekly, so I think we're doing it weekly.
Yes.
And you've probably seen me around already. I'm Amy. I'm on the community team here at Vercel as well. And I love doing these live streams. This is definitely not my first one, but I'm really excited for today.
Yay, we have a seasoned pro. I love it. Cool. Well, if you're not already logged into the Vercel community, that's going to be the chat that we are looking at. So this is an event, I think, in the Vercel community. You can make sure you're logged in, and then you'll be able to post any prompt suggestions or fun ideas that we can build with V0 there. But otherwise, we're just going to be taking suggestions from the community and seeing what V0 can build. Anything I'm forgetting, Amy?
Just a couple quick reminders for the chat. Make sure you click going on the event. That way you'll actually be able to type messages instead of just seeing it. And just keep in mind the code of conduct. Basically, be nice to each other.
Amazing. I love it. Well, I think, Caroline, we have our first prompt that we're going to start with, right? As kind of an intro for this power hour.
And it came from an ambassador.
Amazing. Okay. Okay. Well, this prompt that I'm going to start with, let me go ahead and share my screen, and then we can jump into building with V0. Okie dokie. Great. Can everyone see that?
Yeah.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay. So this prompt that we're going to start with is create an intro for V0 Power Hour using ASCII shader animations, and make sure to start with the greeting "Hello World." Make the ASCII characters rearrange themselves for each message with sequential animation, keeping each message visible for about 3 seconds. Keep the message line short. So we're going to go ahead and prompt V0 and see what it does. This is a pretty specific prompt. I like it.
I'm very excited about the power hour.
Amazing. Cool. So V0 is thinking, and then it's going to start actually generating what we want it to build. Awesome.
This is a good reminder that we should have an animation intro. I think maybe if we start doing power hour, we gotta.
Oh yeah, maybe
we can crowdsource ideas.
The power hour. That's so cute. I love that. I do want to do some like holiday themed generations. I have my very merry holiday.
Did you see that one of the ambassadors shared today a Santa tracker?
Oh my gosh.
But
did they post
it was in Spanish, so I had to figure out how to translate it in English to figure out where Santa was right now. But we can check that.
Well, maybe we'll build a Santa tracker too. That seems fun. Okay. V0 is still building. It's telling us what it's doing. Let's see. What are some of the other a Santa tracker? Put in the chat if you guys have other ideas for holiday themed prompts that we can put into V0. Let us know.
I think like an elf performance leaderboard, like the top elves for the year. And like
are they achieving their KPIs? Are the elves contributing properly?
We could have a naughty and nice list, but at Vercel, we could figure out like who on the team's on the naughty and nice list.
HR is going to shut that down.
Yeah, I don't
think we can make it for some fake people.
We can use fake names. We can use elf names for that too.
We can just use celebrities. Celebrities naughty and nice list.
Yes,
naughty and nice list of 2025.
Yeah. Maybe it'll be controversial.
Oh, we have a question in the chat. They want to know which model we're using right now.
Oh, that is a good question. We are on V0 Pro right now. I probably should have selected a model before I started. It's just on the default. But this prompt was pretty specific. I think that's why it's taking a little bit to
Yeah,
build.
doing a bit of thinking.
We got a question too. Is it correct that V0 Max is better for image generation? Yes. So V0 Max is basically like the top model that we have on here. You can see it says it has maximum intelligence for complex work. And it's powered by Cloud Opus. So that's going to get you the highest quality designs and generations.
So our Santa tracker will have to be using V0 Max.
I'm on my personal account. If I run out of credits, we're going to have to switch to somebody else's.
Deal.
Amazing. Okay, like the anticipation is just growing. I'm like, what is this going to build?
It's like thinking really hard to line up all the little characters.
I know. It'll definitely be something amazing.
I feel like these were always the character things that I would see people like on Twitter be able to do and spend like hours figuring like how did people spend the time to see where they all lined up. So it is cool that you can just do this with V0 now and you don't have to
Yeah.
spend the time on the keyboard.
True. Okay, well, maybe we'll start with another one while this is building. Oops.
Yeah.
Not me saying VO. Okay. Let me share this tab instead. Do we have any prompts in the chat yet, Caroline, that we can start doing?
Amy, do you have any from the chat?
I don't see any in the chat just
Okay,
yet.
I'm going to try the Santa tracker. Let's see. I'm going to do this. So we're going to build an internal dashboard for Santa's operation. So a sleigh tracker, route planner, reindeer, timer, naughty/nice table, and route planner. Okay. Let's see. This one is also on V0 Pro. Still building. I feel like one of us should have dressed up as Santa.
I know. I should have worn a sweater. I'm so jealous that you have one.
I know.
I DoorDashed this from Target yesterday. I found out you can DoorDash clothing from Target because I didn't have any holiday stuff because I moved across the country and I feel like I just like lost a bunch of stuff. And so I was like, I need a holiday sweater for tomorrow because we're doing it. And so you can DoorDash from Target. Little did I
That's
know.
good to know.
Yep.
Innovation.
Allie, when you're building, so we just gave a lot for the Santa tracker to do. When you're building things like this in V0, typically, do you add all your ask at once? Or do you like to just have the scaffolding and then follow up? Like in this case, would you have followed up with the reindeer feeder and that? How do you like to build?
I like to start by being as specific as possible. If I'm building something where I like want to get a very accurate preview of exactly what I am looking for. So like, for example, I know our product team, when we have like PRDs that we're working on or like product updates in mind, we'll be really, really specific with what we're prompting V0 with. We actually use like a baby V0 template that's been built inside of V0. And we use that in very specific prompts to actually sorry, I got a runtime error. To be actually able to see what we want to see.
Yeah.
This one looks like we almost one-shotted it. We'll see. It's still working. I love that sound. Okay.
Me too.
Let's see. We have our preview here. So Santa's Command Center, North Pole operations. This is accurate. Yes. 5 days. So V0 new. When Christmas is. The sleigh tracker. Right now, he's in Norway.
That makes sense.
That's just going down. Wow, it's changing. It's dynamic.
Oh, he's moving quite a lot.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Big job. Okay. Oh my gosh, it put this elf performance leaderboard, Caroline.
Oh,
So
that's awesome.
this is interesting.
I'm really
Sugar
curious how
Plum
the
is not
points are.
doing well. This is fun. What happens when I
Reindeer
press
feeding.
start? Oh,
I feel like this would be really fun for kids. Like if you could make it a game where you could like feed the reindeer like throughout the course
yeah.
of the
Mhm.
month or something. I feel like there used to be something like that when we were
Oh
little.
my god. It made the naughty and nice list. I hope these are not, they're not, obviously.
Surely they're not real
But
people.
I
Right.
hope nobody
Yeah.
who's
That
watching
That was
is
fully a
doing
joke.
it.
That was fully a joke. We never have a power hour again.
Okay, I feel like to me, I'm just gonna improve on this a little bit. The things that are a little bit confusing to me are some of the colors, right?
Mhm.
Like
I
naughty and
agree.
nice seem to both be kind of red at first glance. So I'm wondering if we can do that. I also am wondering if we can make the this piece more interactive. Like we can try to do some sort of reindeer game.
Yeah.
So let's see. Change the colors for naughty, nice, and fed/hungry so that they are different enough to not be confused at first glance. Let's see what it does. That's not a very good prompt. Okay. Now, let me switch to my other tab. Our other generation is done. This is our first one. So
Ooh.
V0 says it's created a dynamic ASCII shader animation intro that starts with hello world. Oh, it does. It's just kind of hard to read. It says, let's go. Okay, so let's say make the text more easily distinguishable from the background and the different animations. All right, let's see. We're back in Santa's tracker. Okay, so it did change the colors here. Nice, naughty. It's much more clear. I love it.
Super cool.
All right, let's go back to this tab. We got a question on X. When is the new V0 coming? You'll have to stick around to find out. Maybe it's a little bit of a holiday surprise. Who knows? It's coming soon. You should sign up for the waitlist if you haven't already yet. It's going to be super cool. Lots of exciting stuff coming. So get ready for that. Okay. This now made the text more
Oh,
distinguishable.
cool.
Do we like the green?
I feel like if it's going to be V0 Power Hour, maybe this could be the holiday version of our intro. But I feel like we might need like a black and white for actual.
Let's see what it says if I say, give it more holiday vibes. There's like @ symbols. I guess that's cool. It's like the web.
Yeah, it's like techie stuff.
Do we have any other prompts? Oh, okay.
We just
Yeah,
got
we just-
one on YouTube.
Okay.
You want to go for it, Amy?
Yeah, Amy, can you read it?
All right. So the prompt is build an app that lets humanitarian workers collect simple ideas, keywords, or reflections throughout the month. When ready, users can generate compassionate, community-focused newsletter.
Nice. Okay, we'll do that one in just 1 second. This is what it gave us for holiday vibes.
It's
kind
so
of fun.
Christmassy.
I'm kind of into it.
I love the symbols being like little confetti.
Yeah.
There's snowflakes.
It's cool.
It's actually pretty cute.
And the random like sparkle emojis it decided to pull in. They're
Yes.
awesome.
Creativity. I love it.
That's really cool.
Okay, let me go to a new V0 page and then I'm going to do the one that was just requested. All right, here we go. So build an app that lets humanitarian workers collect simple ideas, keywords, or reflections throughout the month, and they can generate a compassionate, community-focused newsletter. Let's try this one on V0 Max.
That's awesome. I actually built something kind of similar when I first started at V0 because I was having all these community conversations and would have random ideas. And so I was like, I just need somewhere where, like a notes page, I could input it and remember all the things and start to coalesce around like what are the themes. And so I think that's really smart.
Okay, it is prompting us to install Supabase. So let me go ahead and set that up.
I do really like this idea. I do something similar for myself because there's so much going on all the time between community projects that people
Yeah.
are sharing and things that Vercel is building and things that V0 is building and things from
What do you do, Amy? I feel like you're a pro. I need your tips.
I mean, I need to build something better because right now it's so manual.
Yeah.
And like it would be great to have something that like handles more of the formatting for me because that's
Yeah,
where
it
I
was
spend most of the time.
Yeah, it was cool because I didn't have to specify like what type of conversation it was. Like I could be talking to an ambassador or a user or just like have a random idea and didn't have to spend time organizing it and just put it in there and then it could coalesce around themes. But yeah, so it was helpful for that.
I was using V0. The thing that I think is the most underrated thing on V0 is using V0 for slides. I have like completely shifted from using like Google Slides or whatever. I like use V0 for all of my slides for presentations because basically I can just describe the outline of what I want of like, okay, I'm giving this presentation on blah, 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 blah. Like I just gave a presentation on V0 a month or two ago. And I was like, this is what I want to go over. This is what I want to do. And then I just put all of that into V0 as like a single prompt and it built out the
So
whole deck.
nice.
And then I could just edit. And you edit by prompting instead of like, I don't know, I'm not skilled at going in and making slides that I manually make look really good.
Yeah.
So at least for the design aspect, it was like much better for me.
Well, I feel like with the design systems now, it's so easy to have the consistent look and you don't have to reprompt it all the time.
Totally. We can show an example of that probably when this one generates. I'm trying to think of a fun generation that we can make using the AI Gateway automatic connection. Maybe after this one. Okay, cool.
Oh,
So,
cool.
This is cool. We actually used our integration with Supabase here because that's what V0 recommended. So we connected with Supabase, and then now V0 can see that it's connected, and it built out this app. So we have a newsletter app with a database schema for ideas and reflections. We connected Supabase, and then it has created this main app with idea collection and newsletter generation. So let's actually test it. And V0 decided to name this Community Voices. I kind of like it. I don't know if that's what this person had in mind.
I know if they're still there on YouTube, I'd be curious if they want to add anything else.
I know. What should we do for a reflection? Caroline, maybe you have a community reflection. It's not humanitarian, but maybe you have a community reflection from V0 ambassadors or something else that you've done recently.
Oh, this is a really nice email we got today. An ambassador had ordered the wrong size of their sweatshirt. And there's some confusion and whatever. I was like, oh my gosh, of course I can send you a new sweatshirt. It's all good. And he was like, this is such a testament of like caring about the small details and shows like how you care about humans in a community. And so it was just a good reflection to me of like those little moments matter so much. And also I just had so much gratitude for him showing that gratitude towards me because it was a very easy thing for me to do.
I love that.
I'm verbose. I don't know how you want to capture that moment.
Like, how do I translate this?
This is where we need voice mode to come into the community voices.
I know I need to use Whisper. Today we received a nice note of gratitude from one of our community members for a small favor / task that we completed. Sending him a new sweatshirt size. This is like, that's not a humanitarian.
Not humanitarian.
We sent someone a new sweatshirt. Okay, save idea. Great. All right, let's see what happens. We have one idea. Let's put some others. Like, what are nice things, guys? Why is this difficult? Let's say, okay, Christmas, holidays, bought a friend a
Also not even intern.
Okay, let's just test this.
Oh, cool.
Oh, okay, awesome.
Nice.
So it
It's
actually
really
has,
cool.
yeah. We are bringing our community together. This is like the worst. Only reflected ever. Moments of insight. Okay, so it literally did just take it and put it directly into it. So maybe we can improve on this a little bit. We can say, like, when you generate the newsletter ideas, try to add something more to the ideas that we put into the capture moment section to make it longer and more interesting and engaging to read. All right.
This would be really helpful too with any internal recaps. Like I feel like I do a lot of recaps of like, oh, this is what we did across the month. And again, Amy, to your point, they all live in different places. And so this would be cool to
Yeah.
just be able to drop it in.
Yeah, I was actually thinking about this because part of my team runs our startups program, and we've been talking about doing like a startups newsletter. And I
Yeah.
feel like this would be such a good way to just like capture everything that's happened in the month and then do a
Yeah.
newsletter at the end of the month. Amazing.
Matt, if you're watching, we'll give you this template.
Okay. So let's reshare our ideas.
we have
the
a
follow-up from the person who
Yeah.
suggested this. They keep an email list of their community, and then they want to be notified from the app with the newsletter content. That's interesting. You probably have to set up a couple more integrations to actually build that out.
Yeah, there would have to be some kind of email setup. So I think it's possible, but it might take us a little longer than we have today to get it all done.
Not me putting random ideas. Help a friend with their work. Called some elderly neighbors. These are just like good beats. Okay, let's see. Now if we click generate, will it give us a more engaging newsletter? AI is crafting our newsletter.
It's going to be super engaging.
Okay, yes,
Oh.
actually look at this, reaching across generation.
Yeah.
Several, okay, amazing. All right, let's see. Let's go back. And I think we have another prompt. Okay.
We do.
One. Can you read it, Caroline?
Yeah, this person from the community wants to create an animated landing page using shaders for a fashion e-commerce site that will then search. Oh, I kind of like this. That will search the best prices among all the US stores and then add a wait list, kind of like Google Flights for shopping. I would love this because then you don't have to manually look at all the sales sites and you just get automated.
Okay. I feel like I kind of need this in my life.
Yeah.
Where was this when I was doing all of my holiday shopping?
I know.
Yeah, you're like, I wish I had this 3 weeks ago. That would have
Yeah.
been great.
It's what I do for like all my flights, and then it feels like you're making progress towards getting the flight, but I'm just tracking the prices to see when it goes. So you can do the same thing.
I'm gonna like run out of super-based credits.
We can also move to mine if you need to.
No, it's good. It's fine right now. I'm just being dramatic.
We're just too much
Okay.
building in this power hour.
It really is a power hour. Someone was like, isn't power hour where you're like drinking a shot? And I was like, we're not drinking shots, we're one-shotting.
Yeah.
That was my main joke
Oh,
today.
Allie, that
Thank
is
you.
good.
Thank
I did
you.
think about that too, but I wasn't sure if anyone else did, so I just didn't
I'm gonna
flag
be
it.
trolled on the internet for that. I feel like that was like the most dad joke I've ever made in my life.
Have you tweeted it yet?
No. Okay, so we prompted V0. We're using V0 Max again, and I installed Supabase because again, V0 prompted me to do that. And then now it's generating design inspiration and seeds that I've connected to Supabase, so it's going to keep going. Now I have everything I need. Good. Love it. Okay. while we're doing this, I want to do another one. Oh my God, we got like 3 different.
Oh yeah, we just got a bunch.
We've got a bunch. We have one that's very specific.
Okay.
Very.
Let's choose one. How about you guys choose one and then read it to me and I'll start prompting.
Oh, I think these might actually be the same, just 2 parts of the same.
Yeah, it's broken up into 2 parts here.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
So
really
the
specific. Love it.
first one, maybe this is coming from G. But make a Ready Player
Yes.
One Pixar grade holiday world. With G as Santa live coding gifts. Okay, so we want G as Santa live coding gifts. It needs to have Disney level futurism, and make Power Hour Christmas cards that G is coding turn into downloadable 4:5 aspect ratio cards
Oh my God.
that have SVG animations. You should be coding 1 custom card every 15 seconds. Use the Vercel AI gateway in whatever way you decide. Allie, that you do get choice on that.
I'm
It
going to
could be
make
a
easier
CD,
decide. That's not me.
copywriter, strategist, and motion designer. You're 100% in control.
Okay.
Wow. Let's
That's
start
very
there.
specific. I'm excited for that.
Oh, whoa.
This is what it gave us. At first glance, this price alert waitlist
Yeah.
section, it seems like it's actually blocking what's behind it. So I'm going to use my favorite thing to do, which is screenshot and drag it over and say this pop-up is blocking the images behind it. Move it or reduce the size so that it's not blocking the rest of the site. Okay, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to copy this prompt that is very specific. I think the person is telling V0 that they're in control. So let's see what this does if I just copy paste. I am going to fix this. Okay. I'm like a little scared, but
I
mostly
know.
curious. Okay. While that's going,
It's really interesting to see where it pulls images from.
This commenter just
cool.
confirmed, yes, they mean for V0 to be in control
Yes,
of these
okay,
positions.
Oh, perfect. Okay, cool.
I'm picking up what you're putting down. Okay, so we did get a new generation of this fashion site.
Oh, cool.
So we moved this down here, but now with the background, you
Yeah.
really can't see what that is. So actually, I'm going to see if I can fix this.
Design mode. Yes.
Okay. So I want the background. Let's see. What happens if I do this? Yeah. I mean, that's kind of ugly. The design people watching are going to be like, what is she doing? Let's see. I can go through and see the different options. Oh, we could get really crazy.
It's very Christmassy.
What do we like?
Making everything Christmas food.
I kind of like. We're gonna go with this for now, and then I'm gonna click save. But then, oh, okay, this is the top nav bar that's scrolling with me. Okay, I feel like it doesn't look very pretty, but it is better than before. You can actually see it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the chat, and let's go back to our original prompt. So they wanted a waitlist feature like Google Flights for shopping. So I think actually if I type in, this will be like the product that I want. I want the Nike Air target price, 150. That seems like way too much. Sneakers, join waitlist. Cool. Because I've connected super base. But now see this, the end state, once I submit to the waitlist, is also not great. So let's see if I can change that. Yep. Okay. Cool. I mean, that's my favorite thing about design mode. Easy tweaks. I didn't need to prompt it because I didn't know
The
exactly what to
best.
say.
It saves me so much time too, of like, especially on like little text edits of just going straight in. It's awesome.
Or
I feel like
sometimes I
members
just
of
don't
our
know, like,
design team are going to be like, this is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Allie, why did you build that?
A waste of using design mode.
What were you going to say, Amy?
I was just gonna say, yeah, it's like sometimes you don't know what colors you want it to be, so it's nice to just quickly like, what background color do I want? What text do I want?
Okay, I've gone back to this very specific Ready Player One Pixar Grade holiday world with Guillermo as Santa.
Wow.
So it did put his name and everything here, but I'm wondering if the person wanted the picture. Also, there's an error. Okay.
Yeah,
now
I
it's-
was assuming they wanted like a caricature as Santa. But again, they can, if they're still listening, they can chime in and give us some ideas.
Because maybe, oh no, but this is not an image yet, so I actually can't edit it. So I'm gonna say, I don't want that. Okay, I want it to, what did they say? I want Guillermo to actually be a picture of him. I am attaching one. Let's see. I think I have a picture. Yes. Okay. I want Guillermo Santa to actually be a picture of. I'm attaching one. Okay. I'm going to try this, but I'm also noticing that the card compiler that's down here is also not working. So
And it looks like the initializing card forge is
Yes.
stalling a bit.
I think also probably this person wanted, more of like a game, like a world, and this has built a dashboard.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. We got the picture,
Oh.
and there's a little Santa. So maybe, let's see, prompt to edit. Give him a Santa hat. I'm waiting. Oh, okay,
Oh
cool.
my gosh.
It's giving me options. Which one do we like? I'm liking this left.
Yeah.
I think
More
that's best.
understated.
Okay, we have Santa G. Okay, so now we're gonna go back and try to fix this other piece. So, oh, actually, I can just do this. So it gave me an error that was coming up of not being able to produce this card. So I actually just clicked Fix with V0, which is free. So if you use Fix with V0, it's not going to charge you anything. It's not going to use your credits. It's going to continue coming up until it's actually fixed. Okay, while we're doing that, let's see if there's another one.
Yeah, we just got another one as well.
I have so many
This
V0 tabs open. I'm like ready to go.
Can you handle it? Can you handle another one?
I can handle it. Can my computer handle it? We'll see.
Yeah, we can do it. Okay, so this one says build an inventory management app for a food bank charity to use. So this is cool. So it's the ability to be able to scan products, log inventory, and create orders where you can assign it to someone in need. And so I think they would have a customer account as well. That's cool.
All right, let's
I
do
wonder
it.
if we could also add like time of maybe in the prompt, like add time of request and anticipated pickup so they could track that way.
I'm actually going to test out enhanced prompt.
Oh, yeah. Probably stronger than
Oh.
Caroline's enhancements.
I was like, actually, no. I just wanted to see what it does. Okay, so now it's changed the prompt. So now we use the enhanced prompt tool, and it says design a comprehensive inventory management application tailored for food bank charities, focusing on functionalities such as product scanning, detailed inventory logging, and the creation of orders that can be assigned to individuals in need. The system should support customer account management, allowing users to register and track their orders, include features for barcode or QR code integration for product scanning. Wow. Real-time inventory updates to reflect stock levels accurately, and an intuitive interface for creating and managing orders. Ensure the application addresses needs for secure customer data handling, easy navigation, and scalability for future feature additions, all within a responsive design suitable for both desktop and mobile usage. Emphasize user roles and permissions for staff and volunteers, and consider reporting capabilities for inventory and order analytics. Wow. So that is much
mobile
better than what I
edition's
could
really
have done
good.
myself.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. And we're on V0 Max again. I'm going to go back.
Was the Santa G World game on Max or Pro?
It's on Max.
Max.
Okay, cool. So it actually
Oh,
did.
yeah.
Let's see. But the cards, I actually can't preview or download. I almost said please fix. It's embarrassing the amount of times that I actually do say that, like for the memes, but also it tends to work. Okay, so now it actually
Oh,
is
cool.
generating, like it's generating Merry Christmas, warm wishes, cards, but I just can't click on them and preview them. But it does seem to be following that every 15 seconds because it has the timer up here.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
So in another second, yeah, another one is generated. They don't look like the most unique cards ever. So maybe that will be our next contribution, but we'll see. Okay, I'm back on our food bank one, and I'm going to install Supabase. I need to upgrade my plan. Caroline, we might have to port this over to you.
Yeah, we can do it.
Let's see. This one is still building. Actually, while we're doing this, I'm going to. Okay, let's see. I see the issue. Fix several issues. No, you haven't.
Yeah, the chat is saying it looks like the cards aren't scaling to their container. They're kind of offset there.
All right. Let's say that. The cards aren't scaling to their container. All right, let's see what happens. Great, and we have about 5 minutes left. Oh, we got one that I really want to try in the chat. Let's see. Okay, we got one that says, let's build something like Spotify Wrapped, but for V0 2025. Oh, it's funny you mentioned that. Okay.
Interesting.
Let's see. All right, so let's build a year recap in V0 similar to Spotify Wrapped, but for my V0 usage and stats for the year. You can use mock data for now, but generate, what do we think, guys? Like a clean black and white Vercel vibes design would make it festive.
And maybe like optimize, could you optimize for social sharing? like so
Mhm.
people can take a screenshot.
Okay, let's try prompt news. Okay, design a comprehensive year recap feature in V0 that resembles Spotify Wrapped, but is tailored for showcasing my V0 usage statistics for the year. Use mock data to illustrate the concept. Okay, great. Let's try this. And then I kind of want to add like an AI chatbot or something where I can ask questions about the data.
Oh, that would be really cool.
Okay, let's see. While we're doing this, I'm going to check on our Pixar Holiday World. All right. Nope. Still not working. So clearly, I'm not prompting it correctly.
Yeah, I don't know the
Yes,
trick with
once-
these cards. Everything else is working.
Everything else is working. We have G Santa up here. Let's see if I do. This is what the cards look like. People are truly, this is so vulnerable. Like, people are truly seeing how how
That's also what I say. I'm like, this is what they look like. This is not how they should look.
If we have any pros in the chat, let me know. If you're like, you're being an idiot, please stop me while I'm ahead.
I wonder though if we did. I don't think someone can send a screenshot in the chat, but it would be helpful if we had a screenshot of what we wanted the cards to look like to add there.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm like actually very excited about this V0 recap.
Me too,
I feel like our
Allie.
prompt was quite enhanced though, so it might take a bit of time because we are using V0 Max for this. I want the best generation possible.
I was cackling at the end of the balances elegance with festivity.
I didn't even see that part.
Yeah.
So, V0 still calls it Twitter. Ooh, I don't know.
Oh.
All right. Let's see. I think this will be our last generation before we log off. But if your idea didn't get prompted, please come prepared for next time with your ideas. Okay. V0 Wrapped.
Cool.
It's still working, but I'm liking what I'm seeing.
Also, if anyone has any prompts that they want in the meantime, like DM Allie, Amy, or I, because we could start loading them up for the next power hour.
Okay. This is dope, but it does think it's 2024.
Wow. Time's hard. Numbers.
Time is hard.
Yeah.
Time's hard.
I like the animation though.
Yeah, it's so cute, the little stars. Okay, and all the snowflakes. V0 loves snowflakes, is what we've learned today.
Well, we told it to be elegant and festive.
I did. So there we go. Okay, V0 Wrapped 2024. My name is Developer Pro. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, you are.
Clearly, as people have seen. Okay. Oh, okay. This year I sent 2,847 prompts, 8 prompts per day on average.
Oh, I like the day average.
Yeah, that's cool. Nice. 156 projects. Wow. The lines of code is pretty dope. Again, this is mock data. It's not my actual data, but like it would be very cool to be able to
She's
generate
built
this
much more.
data. We can build on it the next V0 Power Hour.
Yeah.
Interesting. Cool. The tech stack rundown. 68% Next.js. Love it.
Oh, that's cool. I want to
342 hours.
Where you also see like time saved of like how much time V0 saved you in developing.
That would be cool, especially if you're like a developer and you're using it a ton.
Yeah.
Set up. Okay.
Night
Early
owl.
adopter. Night owl. Most active at 2 a.m. Definitely not true about me.
I hope that's not true.
I am a grandma. Okay. Prolific creator. This is cute. Top 3%.
Super
Hell
cool.
Yeah. That's fun. Oh, and then look, it did the shareable. Let's see. Can I actually download it? I can. Wow.
That's so cool.
That's awesome. Okay, well, I feel like that's like the perfect place to park it.
I love it.
Yeah.
Wow, the time passed by so fast. I see
We
why you
built a
could
lot.
spend. I know. I
Yeah.
see why you could spend like 300 plus
Yeah.
hours. Amazing. Okay. Well, cool. Well, thank you to everybody for joining us for this first experiment. Hopefully you had some fun. We're hoping in the future to bring on some guests and actually let you guys prompt. You're probably much better than I am, so that's welcome. But yeah, thank you to everybody who submitted a prompt, and we'll continue doing these. Let us know what you thought, give us feedback, but excited to do many more V0 Power Hours in the new year.
Woo.
Amazing.
Awesome.
Okay, thanks,
Thank you,
Amy.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.